Samantha Bosshart, Executive Director of the Saratoga Springs Preservation Foundation. I'm thrilled to be here today at 54 Greenfield Avenue to recognize Eleanor Mullaney and Robert Coughlin on their porch restoration. They are the types of homeowners that we at the foundation so greatly appreciate because they take the time and the effort to invest in their homes, and that's what's really so special. So we're thrilled to give them this award today, and it's always a pleasure when Chris Bennett is involved with yet another porch restoration award. So congratulations to them. Thank you.
Well, we'd like to thank the Preservation Foundation for this fabulous award. We love our porch. We always loved our porch from the time we moved in here in 1990. And I would say I grew up on Fifth Avenue with a beautiful porch. So living in a house with a Saratoga porch was really important to me. And so having this porch all these years has just been a joy. But having it restored has been just the best thing that could have happened during this summer of quarantine and being home.
This is the place we wanted to spend all our time. We've met many neighbors we didn't even know existed in the neighborhood, families with young children, we made buddies with them. It's been great. We had the porch, we've owned this house for 30 years, and it had a porch, and there came a period of time when our kids grew up and moved out that we thought maybe we'd move. We looked around the neighborhood but couldn't find anything, and after a couple of years decided we would stay. And we realized that our porch really needed some attention due to our decision paralysis. So we looked around and we found Chris Bennett, who did the work here and did a fantastic job. We would love to thank him and for his hard work and his dedication to this cause. And we love it. I mean, it's just been such an upgrade to not only to the house, but to the quality of our life. It's been great.
Our neighbors would say it's been an upgrade in the neighborhood. We've had many wonderful compliments, and I definitely want to thank Greenfield Landscaping, who has just done a fabulous job. I had some ideas and they executed it, and I can't say enough about how great they are to work with, and to get the new landscaping in was really like the icing on the cake.
Right, and Anthony Civitello did the painting for us. We decided that as long as we're going to have a great porch to sit on, we might just have a nice house, a well-painted house to look at as well. So Anthony did a great job for us on unlimited construction.